Hello everyone, finally I begin today my craft fair series and also Christmas gifts 2025. You've been asking for this and here it is. And I decided to start with these projects because I feel like it's your guys' favorites. You love these little bags, you love the little notebooks. So I combined the two. This one is a tutorial. I'm not teaching you how to cover the books today because that's already exists. This is a tutorial here, and I'll have the link below to that. Also at the end of the video, you'll be able to just click on it and watch this tutorial. What we're going to do today is the little box, okay? And that's the one we're making together. How cute is that? And you can actually fit two of these inside the bag with a little pen. I'll have the link to this pen too because that's the one I use the most. It's absolutely perfect because it's mini. For mini notebooks, it's perfect. So if you have this, you can add two, but I would do that for friends. I mean, this is a wonderful gift. I actually, you're going to see, I have a video coming up with my friends. We got together. That's when I created this box for these little notebooks. And you get a whole bunch of ideas from that video in terms of decoration. So that's the video today. Here's some more ideas just to give you ideas on how to decorate. You can do this, but you get tons of ideas. Do not miss that video. It's me and my friends making things together. The other thing that I created for our little retreat with friends was this box. This is not a tutorial, but if you want, I can create one. It's a very simple to make, with this belly band here, so you can decorate for Christmas, for your craft fairs, and you basically open, and again, you can fit these little books. Let me get another book here. It's another one that I made with my friend, so you can fit those. If you want this to be a tutorial, let me know in the comments, okay? I'll be happy to create that. But that's what I created for my friends. And yeah, so that's a tutorial today. We're making a little bag for you to sell at your craft fairs and also to gift your friends. So let's move to the tutorial now. I just want to let you know, because see how the handle is different here. So before we see the tutorial, can you see it's very easy. I'm teaching you today how to put the handle and actually hide it. This box, you're not going to see either the flaps or the handles. It's all hidden, but you can also, this is just another idea for you. You can just put the handle in front like this, just to have a different handle. So it's the same idea. Instead of doing like this, you can do it like that, and then you need two handles for that. Okay, I just wanted to make sure to give you that idea. So that's it. Let's see the tutorial now. So what you need for the whole bag is just one piece of paper that is 9 inches by 5.5. So on the 9 inch, let me just zoom in, you're going to score at 4 and 5. So 4 inches and 5 inches. Very simple. I'll have the numbers, the measurements below, okay? So you don't have to worry about that. And now we turn, and on the 5.5, we're going to score at 1 and 4.5. So just two scoring lines here, 1 and 4.5. You see how easy it is, and that's what makes it so good for craft fairs. So let's just do the scoring lines here. Always, if your paper is a little bit thick, always remember to go slowly, do a few flaps like this. That's actually breaking helping break the fibers without without really damaging your paper. So we're going to cut here and here, and I do a little bit of an angle to make it easier to glue, like this. Same thing on the other side. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit, and same thing here. I was just checking the camera if it's focusing. So there you go, easy, easy, easy. So now what we're going to do is decorate. Let's decorate first. And what you're going to do, you're going to decorate one full size and the other one just the front. So this is going to be like the front of your bag. If you look at it, you have a front. See, the two sides will be decorated and the other one will be the back. So basically, I already created a panel here with Jingle All the Way and a little gift. So that's, but you do whatever you need. You don't need to add anything. If you have beautiful paper like this, the paper will be it. And again, if it's for craft fair, it makes it faster, especially if you're mass producing, so you don't want to have to add a lot of steps along the way. See, if you have a paper like this, that's beautiful enough. So we're going to do the sides here. And let me give you, I'll have all the dimensions in the description below. But I know you like to hear it, so I will give it to you. Let me just do this first. Okay, so this one here, it's 3 1/4 by 3 3/4, and this is 3/4 of an inch by 3 3/4 because it's the same height, right? So you have 2 of each. So let's just do the decoration here. I know some people like to. I usually write along when I'm watching a YouTube tutorial. I like to write it as I go. So there you go, we have one side ready. We're just gonna flip, because especially if the paper has the right way and you don't want it upside down, just flip it, because they're going to be up like that. So just flip and glue the back, okay? Yeah, I'm going to glue the back and you're done with the decoration. Now all we need to do is glue. We're going to glue the handle too, okay? Very important. So we're going to glue the handle and the flaps together, because we're going to hide everything. So basically, here's what we're going to do. We're going to glue this part. Sorry, this is the front, right? So that's the back. We're going to glue it like this and then cover it with the front. So I have our handle here. We're going to break the fiber so that it curls like that. So it's already curled. It's very easy to do. And we are going to put glue right here. Let me zoom in a little bit. So there. I'm gonna put glue on this side here, because we're gonna flip it. So this is the back. We're just basically going to hold it in place like this and press it in like that. So I like to press it down to make sure that it's flat. So there you go. We glue one side. Same thing on the other. I'm gonna put glue right here on the flap. And then I'm going to flip it like that. Press it down, flush to your table here. I'm just gonna press with my bone folder just to make sure it's well glued. It is. I think this is too close. It's making me claustrophobic. So okay, we have that down. And next thing, we're going to add the handle, because I want to hide that too, okay? So basically, we're going to add the handle here on the same place that where you glued your flaps here, because you won't see anything. It's going to be beautiful because everything is basically hidden here. So place it right in the middle, right, like that, one side. Then you flip it. Do the same with the other. Make sure it's centered and not, not moved. It's straight and centered. So there you go. And now we are going to close our beautiful bag. How easy was that? So these guys will be a hit on your craft fair. Absolutely. Have it placed in a beautiful space. Display it really well, because look at that. See? Now I'm going to use my bone folder very gently and just press it down like that. And there you go. We have one side all glued, all good. And now we're going to glue this other side here. I'm gonna put it on this side now. Make sure that the edges here have glue, okay? Because you want to make sure that it doesn't show. So we're gonna flip it, push it like that. And same thing, I'm gonna use my bone folder and press it in. And there you go, guys. We have our beautiful Christmas little bag, gift bag for you. How cute is that? So there you go. We have our matching. Doesn't have to, but I did it matching. And now you can fit one or two. That's up to you, guys. So I'm going to fit one, and you can just put this on the side here. You have a little pen. This is the best pen for this kind of project. I'll have the link below. And you buy and it comes with like 100. I've been using it for years. But if you want, you can put two, okay? Price. What is the price? You guys always want to know. Always take into consideration your public, okay? Because here in Portland, people really value handmade things. So for one, I would charge no less than $5, but I think I'm going to charge for this $6 or $7. I'm still going to do the math, but between $5 and $7, because you get a little notebook, the gift bag, and the pen. Okay, so I would maybe add $1, $1.50 more for that. So maybe with two, I would charge something like $7, and with one, $6. How about that? I think that's a good price. And you can even offer something like a little card that they get if they buy it. That's your strategy. But basically, you can fit two in here. I think without a pen, you can even fit three. Yeah, you absolutely can fit 3 of these. But, you know, for gifts, fit as many as you want. For craft fair, I would charge between $5 and $7. No less than that, guys, because it's a lot of work. And it's very unique and exclusive. So there you go. That's our project for today. Stay tuned because I'm going to have a whole bunch of this kind of quick, and I do want to hear from you because I am making the videos now, creating the stuff right now for craft fair, and I would love to hear what do you want. So let me know in the comments. What is your preference in terms of craft fair items? Because it's different for all of us. And I will listen to you and I'll make sure to tailor it to what you want. Okay, so do you want, the files? I know those are hits. The nail files, they sell a lot, that's for sure. Do you want me to do more with these little books, more gift boxes like this one I showed you in the beginning? Do you want this to be another tutorial? I can make a tutorial. I just made this for my friends, but could be a tutorial because it fits those as well. So let me know, what are your needs? And I will make sure to create these videos, okay? Thank you so much and you have a wonderful day.